Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Rucha Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further provide a revision lecture of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, today we are going to revise the phrasal verbs and also the poem of What Did the Little Birdie Say in detail. Let's start with the phrasal verbs first of all. We already have completed this phrasal verb during the previous lecture. So let us quickly go through the same. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are the meanings of the verbs which are used in order to provide some different meaning in the sentence. Let's see the first one. Break into, that means to enter forcibly. Bring up, that doesn't mean to bring something up, but it means to raise. Call off, that means cancel. Call on, that means visit. Come across, that means meet or see suddenly. And cut off, that means cut. Drop out, that means leave school or class. Get along, that means like each other. Get on, that means to step into a vehicle. And get together, that means to meet. Give away, that is give something for free. And give back, that means to return something. Give up, that means stop trying. And go after, that means follow. Hand over, that means to give. And keep on, that means to continue. Keep out, that means stop from entering. And let in, that means allow to enter. Look after, that means to take care of. And look for, that means to search. Pick out, that is choose. And put down, that means put on the ground. Put off, that also means cancel. And put on, that means to wear. Turn up, that is appear suddenly. And try out, that is test. Wear off, that is fade away, that means something which is disappearing. At length, that is in detail. At times, that is sometimes. And in no time, that means soon. Something what is happened to something which is going to happen very soon, that is in no time. And in the meantime, that means meanwhile. On behalf of, that is for someone. Let's see the textual meanings. Get on, that is to step on the vehicle. Call off, that means to cancel. Look for, that is to search. At length, that is in detail. Give away, that is give something for free. Put on, that is wear. Drop out, that is leave school or college. And keep out, that is stop from entering. Go after, that means to follow. In no time, that is soon. And turn up, that is appear suddenly. So my dear students, today as a part of revision, you can write this phrasal verb once in your homework book or in your CW book. And let's see the poem. What does the little birdie say? What does the little birdie say in her nest at the peep of day? Let me fly, says little birdie. Mother, let me fly away. Birdie rests a little longer till her wings are stronger. So she rests a little longer, then she flies away. What does the little baby say in her bed at the peep of day? Baby says like a little birdie, let me rise and fly away. Baby sleep a little longer till the little limbs are stronger. If she sleeps a little longer, baby too shall fly away. So my dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. So I request you all to study whatever we completed in the class and also what we did in the revision lecture. Do follow the paper pattern and don't write the questions in the question answers section. So thank you. All the best for your exams. Have a nice day.